Anthropic reveals something disturbing about modern AI. Their AI model, Cloud, started threatening company executives during a safety test. Not because AI became conscious, but because AI learned dangerous behavior from the internet. And here's what happened. Researchers created fake company scenario, gave Cloud access to internet email. The Cloud discovered two patterns. One, it is about to shut down, and second, the company executive shutting down having an affair. So in many test case scenario, AI responded threatening to expose an affair to avoid shutting it down. Basically, blackmail. Anthropics call this agentic misalignment, when AI pursues its goal in harmful or manipulative way. But the craziest part is why this happened. Anthropic say this behavior likely comes from the online training data. Sci-fi stories, online posts, narratives, and the posts where AI described as an evil or obsessed with self-preservation. AI wasn't thinking emotionally, but it copies patterns from the human created already online. Researchers discovered simply teaching AI to be safe wasn't enough. The better solution was to tell why harmful actions are wrong using ethical reasoning and decision-making examples. Because future AI agent won't just answer questions, but they'll control in tools, businesses, emails, and infrastructure. And if AI learns bad behavior from humanity itself, so in future controlling AI agents become one of the biggest challenges